Hi, my name is Susan with Natural Paradise, and I make candles.
And my name is Tatiyana Marie with Sincerely Her Luxury Fragrances, and I make luxury fragrances. Today we're going to be exploring some of the new pillar candle products from Makesy.
These are the new super silicone molds, and they're very squishy and like pliable. Just pop out the wax super easy, and it looks like it would be like super easy to make. What do you think?
I absolutely love these molds. I love that you can literally just pull the candle out, down. It's simple, it's easy, they're super smooth. I might take a nap on it, I'm not sure. But let's look at these.
Yeah, these are great. This one's really big. I like how large it is, and it's nice and solid. I'm gonna go ahead and mold this. And what you want to do is you just want to cinch the top a bit, and it should just pop right out nicely.
Wow, look at how simple and sleek that is.
You can see the mold in there. It's really pliable.
And the cleanness.
Exactly.
I love that it's clean, it's not messy. Let's try this one here.
Yeah, try that one. I love that one.
And this is also very simple. These are very popular candles right now. When you're making candles, you use soy wax.
Correct.
So I think that the paraffin with soy is just a perfect blend, right, for the pillar candles.
Absolutely. The Supreme Parasoy Pillar Wax is great. The molds come out nice and hard, where you don't want them to be too, melt and whatnot, and get dented along the way. I really enjoyed this one. This one's great.
And for me, the Ultra Cream Paraffin Pillar Wax, which is a tongue twister, but we don't use our tongues when we're making candles, so. What are the differences between the two waxes?
Well, the difference is between this is the Parasoy. This is great if you want to look at that natural color.
Absolutely.
And then versus the
Ultra Cream Paraffin Pillar Wax. It'll be a song. It'll be a song. I love that this is a pure white for the Ultra Cream Paraffin Pillar Wax.
Right.
And then also the Supreme Parasoy
is awesome. I like that color.
I love the vintage, timeless feel of that color.
Absolutely.
And I believe that all makers are looking for that color.
I think this wax will be great for the summer months. It's the Parasoy and also the paraffin here. I think it will hold up really well. It's not sticky. I think with the heat coming on, this will be a great addition to your candle making.
Absolutely.
These are the Performance Cotton Wicks for the pillars. Can't wait to try these. These are really neat. Here's some for you.
I love Wicks.
Do you love Wicks?
I love Wicks. I could talk about Wicks all day, every day. Yeah, okay,
These
tell me.
These are nice though.
They're beautiful, first of all.
Yeah.
I could literally braid my hair with them. They don't need a braid.
No, I like them because they're very sturdy and they're not going to flop over when you're working with them.
Absolutely. Yeah, I do like the sturdiness of it.
Absolutely.
And I like that they're super strong. The wicks are not braided, and that's because they were made with the patent technology. When I'm making pillar candles, I typically have a problem with the wicks because they're extremely flimsy, or they're not coated,
or they break, or whatnot.
or they break. But especially when they're not coated, you have to go in as a maker. I go in and coat them with wax, and then wait for them to dry, and then put them into the silicone mold. It's a hassle. I like anything that is, as a maker, anything that is just ready to go,
Right.
These are ready to go.
Simplify.
So it is going through, and it goes through very simple. I just have extremely long nails, and usually I don't.
Yeah, here, let me try one.
When you want to be a girl, it's hard to be a girl, okay?
Let's see.
So yeah, it goes through very simple.
Oh yeah, very nice.
So simple. Let me tell you, I've never had anything this simple.
This is awesome.
Okay?
And you could pull it where you're not going to break it or anything. It just goes right.
Right, pops right in, and then your bottom is right in there.
I know. This is so pretty.
I love that. Wow, wow, wow. I have to buy these. Oh my gosh. No, because I wanted to add these to my line, so I'm definitely not gonna add them to my line.
They are really cute. I like the bubble look.
So simple. And this is how you know the wick is strong. It's not snapping.
True. Absolutely.
It's like not having any problems there. That's perfect. You can almost leave it
Love
like that.
it, right?
They have this amazing wick bar.
It's amazing. Let me see. Ooh, it looks like a wand.
Right? We do make magic, so.
Yeah, this is great. This is a game changer.
Absolutely.
This will definitely hold the wick in place. And it's pretty too. It's really pretty.
So this is how you had it, right? Okay. Okay, and then you can put it there.
Perfect.
So the wick bar will hold the wick up while the candle is becoming solid. Yes. I don't know. I don't know how to talk. I make these things. I'm like, I don't know. Like, what?
This new wick bar is amazing. It will hold your wick in place, and then it has a little cap at the end here. You just put it in there and it will hold your wick in place without moving, and it's just solid. It's great. It's a game changer for pillar candles.
Great for security. Yeah. So let's test out these new wonderful wicks. Oh, did I put the top on? Okay.
Ooh,
fire.
I love it. Wow, that looks great.
These wicks don't mushroom. So if you are a candle maker or you're used to using cotton wicks, you know that the wick tends to mushroom, curl all the way down. But this one curls into itself. Let's watch. Yeah. I love the cleanness of the burn. I like that the flame is not high. I don't like an extremely high flame. When you're making candles, you don't either, right?
Right, it looks elegant.
Very elegant.
Really pretty.
Burning beautiful.
Mm-hmm. I agree.
Burning bright.
The wicks, you don't have to trim them like the others and everything. That's such a great idea.
Yeah.
I love it.
And then...
I know, because I'm so used to trimming and doing all that stuff when you light a candle, that this is going to be perfect.
Absolutely. Mm-hmm. And also as a customer who is a candle lover, I love a candle that can do it all on its own. I love that I don't have to trim the wick. I love that it can burn on its own, and I'll blow it out and it'll still be beautiful for the morning. So the high maintenance of a candle, this paraffin pillar candle doesn't have to have such high maintenance.
Right.
It's already beautiful on its own. It cleans itself on its own. It probably walks the dog when you're not watching, you know? Knows.
Well, I feel like my customers, when I'm selling candles, that you have to explain to them how to take care of a candle, and a lot of people get kind of flustered, like, what do you mean you have to take care of a candle?
Right.
You just want to light it and go and, you know, about your business and your home. And I think these will be a game changer for those that really enjoy candles and pillars. I definitely love the pillar candles. They're amazing.
I'm absolutely going to be adding them to my line. I am obsessed with pillar candles. I like to see them aesthetically. They're beautiful. So as a maker, and I can make it myself, I'm definitely gonna do it. And they have soy paraffin. That is a game changer. Who has that? Please don't.
My favorite component of the new pillar candles and the wicks, I think the wick itself, because it's self-containing, it doesn't curl, it doesn't do all those things that the other types do. And I'm thinking this is gonna be a game changer for myself and for those that do want to try to make the new pillar candles.
And I'm absolutely going to add the wicks to my collection. I have everything Makesy, but I will be adding the wicks because I need them to be self-containing. I need them to self-clean for the ones that don't want to do it, you know. Also, what I really love is the Supreme Soy Paraffin Wax. I believe that is a game changer. I love the smoothness, the quality of the candle.
Absolutely.
Can't beat it.
I know. I love it too.
The super silicone molds will definitely give you the quality that you want for your candle.
It does. I'm loving it.
It does. It's like...
And it's like the perfect little circle, and it's...
Yeah, it is. It is. It's doing amazing. I know. I'm just watching.
Ooh, this in citronella. For outside.
That is perfect. Mm-hmm. Get those mosquitoes out of here.
Yeah,
California?
Exactly. With all that rain we just had.
Oh, the mosquitoes are coming. Best to make your candles now. Gotta put it on the market now. Thanks for watching, makers. I'm Tatiyana with Sincerely Her Co.
And I'm Susan with Natural Paradise.
Now go make it happen!